Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini, air sign. So this is timeless reading and this is no contact or separation reading. Will they come back or will they call you? So let's see what are the messages for you. Will your person come back or will your person call you? Gemini, air sign. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini, another Gemini. Under the deck, 6 of Pentacles with 4 of Cups and 5 of Swords. Yeah, the separation was happened between you and your person because there was no equal give and take. Especially your person treated you as an option here, 6 of Pentacles. Yeah, there was no equal give and take. Yeah, right now they're feeling bored, they're feeling missed opportunity here, 4 of Cups, but lot of issues involved here, 5 of Swords. Maybe they cheated on you, maybe they always in and out of your life, Gemini, but now they have regrets. So the Tower, the Lovers and King of Wands. Yeah, definitely they're missing you a lot and it was a tower moment for them, the separation or no contact situation. Still there is some attraction between you and your person, still they love you, the Lovers card is here, but now they want to choose themselves because situations are not under your person control. Maybe they want to take their power back here. Maybe they are emotionally very addicted to you. Maybe they want to come out of that energy because the Tower with the 4 of Cups, definitely they're missing you a lot. So let's clarify these cards, then we will get more clarity. Will they come back or will they call you? High Priestess with the Moon. Yes, maybe some secrets hidden in this connection. Recently your person came to know about some truth regarding you. They started listening to their intuition, trusting their intuition, and a lot of illusions, trust issues involved here. So Gemini, the Tower is clarified by Ace of Cups, 2 of Swords and the World. Lots of you are in long distance relationship here. Yeah, your person is at some crossroads. Yeah, they do love you, but at the same time they have to balance things in their life. Maybe they are juggling between you and their family or you and their career. Definitely they have to balance something in their life. Yeah, definitely they want to be with you. The World card with Ace of Cups, they do love you. And Lovers card is clarified by 5 of Pentacles, 4 of Cups and Page of Cups. Maybe they want to initiate some contact. They want to send some apology message because they did hurt you, because 5 of Pentacles, some cold shouldering energy. Maybe they disappeared from you without saying anything, but now they want to say apology. And King of Wands is clarified by Queen of Cups, Emperor and King of Wands. Definitely your person is very stubborn person, but they do have feelings for you and finally they are going to make a move towards you. Yes, but again they're coming with a lot of passion, but this person have dominant energy. This person is very dominative here, and Emperor and stubborn also. Yeah, but some issues involved here, even though they are going to express their feelings, but some issues involved here. Maybe stability or commitment issues between you and your person. Again they want to come towards you, but I am not seeing any proper commitment here. Yeah, they will take action and they will communicate with you, but I am not seeing promising action and promising offer here. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.